Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in the UK. First, you need to check if you're eligible. This means confirming your nationality requires a permit and that your job offer is from a UK employer with a valid sponsor license. Your role must also meet specific skill and salary requirements, and you'll need to show English language proficiency. These initial steps are crucial for a successful application. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, the next step is to gather all necessary documents. Your employer will provide a certificate of sponsorship, which is a key reference number. You'll also need your valid passport, any past travel documents, and proof of personal savings, typically around £1,270, unless your sponsor covers maintenance. Don't forget relevant academic and professional certificates. With your documents ready, you can begin the online application. Fill out the visa form carefully on the official UK government website. You'll then pay the application fee and the immigration health surcharge, which grants access to the National Health Service. After payment, book an appointment at a UK Visa and Citizenship Application Services Center to provide your fingerprints and photograph, and submit your supporting documents. After submitting your application, you'll await a decision. If approved, you'll receive a visa vignette in your passport or a biometric residence permit. Once you arrive in the UK, if you applied from overseas, collect your biometric residence permit within 10 days. Remember to apply for a national insurance number soon after arrival, as it's essential for working and accessing public services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.